Hi everyone, Eric and John here, Coaster 101. We are riding Big Bad Wolf, Wolf's Revenge, Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Media day today, a very hot, clear, summer-like day at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. The first of 2 lift hills here. Wee-hee! Woo-hoo! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Wee-hee! Woo-hoo! Whoa! Whoa! Wee-hee! Whoa! Woo-hoo! Woo! I got a nice short little second lift hill, mid-course. Now we hang over the beer festival because we won, maybe? Our wolf sounds have turned to oompa music. We're victorious. Good job. Good job. What'd you think, John?
Amazing. 5 out of 5.
Amazing. Oh, all right. It's pretty good. It's a fun family coaster. We also hear really good at night. The front of the train has lights that project onto the ground. Also, all those sets that you saw are lit up at night. So, extra excited to ride it tonight.
Welcome back.